Shrimp and grits is a southern dish that is sometimes called breakfast shrimp. This shrimp and grits dish tastes really great and is super easy to make. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make shrimp and grits. First of all, we are going to start by making the grits. So place a medium saucepan on the stove top. Add 2 cups of chicken broth to it and 2 cups of water. Season this with half teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Cover this and bring to a boil. The stock has been boiling on high heat for a while now, so we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low and then gradually add in 1 cup of white grits, stir this continuously until the grits have absorbed the liquid and have become tender. Once the grits have thickened to the consistency that I love, just like so, just go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Stir this for the butter to melt. After that, go in with 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese. Stir this in as well. After stirring in the cheese, you can test for salt and pepper and adjust that to your liking. Now cook this for just a minute and turn off the stove. Cover the grits and set aside to still keep it warm. Next, place a medium-sized skillet on the stove top. Add about 200 grams of bacon to it. Stir the bacon intermittently and cook for about 8 minutes until the fat is rendered and the bacon has turned really crispy. Once the fat has been rendered and the bacon has turned really crispy, you can drain them from the fat to a dish lined with a paper towel. Drain some of the fat from the pan, leaving just about 2 tablespoons of the fat. Now go in with your shrimp. This is 1 cup of shrimp. Season the shrimp with 1 teaspoon of oregano, a quarter teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a pinch of black pepper powder. If you're not using bacon, you can opt for butter. So now we are just going to stir this to mix together. Next, go in with 3 minced garlic cloves, about 2 tablespoons of spring onions. Stir and cook for 4 minutes until the shrimp is all cooked through. You can now go in with some chopped parsley and about a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Stir and cook for an extra 1 minute. You can sprinkle a little bit of salt if need be and stir again. Now our shrimp is done, so I'm just going to go ahead and turn off the stove. And finally, your grit is ready. So here is it in a dish. We're going to serve the shrimp over it. You can also top some of the fried bacon as well. Also garnish this with some chopped parsley. This was a simple way of making shrimp and grits at home. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. And please also subscribe to the channel if you are new here and click the bell button so you don't miss any video. Until next time guys, I'd love to see you very soon. Bye.